to become someone no one thought you could be, not even you. Number 16, not everyone will be happy for you. Not everyone is going to enjoy your success. Some will be jealous. Some will be resentful because they haven't reached their own true potential. This should never stop you from pursuing your greatest self. Those who truly belong in your life will be by your side during the journey. If you have to walk alone for a while, be strong enough to do so, knowing it won't be forever. Number 17, habits make or break you. Think about every major area of your life: health, financial, happiness. Are there any areas you have developed bad habits that are holding you back? If you have developed them, you can create new, better habits that take you closer to your goals. A habit is formed through consistent application and deep meaning. Make it important to you and plan it until it is a habit. Number 18, fear is an illusion. Fear you are going, you'll end up someplace else. Successful people know where they are going. They have clear goals, big, clear, meaningful goals, and they fight for them. Number 20, no one will believe in you until you do. If you want people to support you, lead by example. Back yourself. If you want people to believe in yourself. Progress leads to belief. Growth leads to belief. Feed your mind every day with self-development material, new knowledge, empowering speakers, and start taking action. Once you start making progress, belief will come. Belief will grow. Back yourself. You can do this.
Okay. So I think so you can understand something. It is new to you. So everyone have some certain principle. You can follow that norms. It is really good for you. Minimum 3 or 4. Okay, 3 or 4 principle. You can try. It is based on education or based on discipline or based on self motivation. Any 5 or 3. Try yourself. Really, it will change your life and change your lifestyle also. Okay, now we'll discuss. So last class we discussed projectile motion. Now the same projectile motion continue we'll discuss. Wait a minute, I will share my screen. And don't take leave. Everyone attend class regularly. Some students are absent yesterday. Akash M, Akash S. One second. This is not. Sibi, Sanjit, Kabilan, Harsini, Dhanush V, Akshaya K, Akshaya TA. Don't take leave, ma. Kindly attend the class. If you have any difficulties, please inform to Prabhu sir. The yesterday test also some students only completed, ma. So reminders kindly complete. Today up to 12 o'clock time it is there. What are the question you know that alone you can attend. It is a 30-mark question. At least you are attending 20 mark also, no problem. Everyone attend the test. Then only I can understand whether you are understanding or not. Class is easy or difficult. Again, I want to teach same topic or not. So everything based on your test performance and your regular attendance and during class time your interaction. So based on that only I can understand. So don't miss it. Everyone attend the test, MCQ as well as theory test also. So last class we discussed projectile fired parallel to horizontal. Now we'll discuss the projectile fired at an angle with horizontal. My voice is audible. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So first of all, what is projectile? Any object projected into space such that it moves under the effect of gravity alone under the effect of gravity alone. So it is the projectile. The projectile following two independent motion. First one, the motion along a horizontal path with uniform velocity. Second point, motion along a vertical path under the gravity. Vertical path means under the gravity. Horizontal path, it is a uniform velocity. Okay. Now, in this topic, projectile fired at an angle with the horizontal. Listen. For example, you are throwing the stone. It will go like this, no? So this is the maximum velocity and maximum height also. So after it is decreasing up to O, A, B. O to A, this is the time of ascent. A to B, this is time of descent. O to B, this is time of flight. That is a capital T. Another one, range. For example, this is a range. O to B in this direction it is no. This is called as range. It is depends upon the initial velocity. So I will give very less initial velocity means it will fall down nearby. I'm giving maximum initial velocity, it will reach maximum distance. And my angle also, you want to think about the angle also, theta also important. Whenever you are in free, in ground you can try taking the ball, cricket ball it is no, in this cricket ball you can try. So based on the angle, based on giving initial velocity, everything you can try. It is very interesting also. Projectile fired at an angle with horizontal. Actually, regular class it is there means. So definitely we'll go for one day for a ground. In this ground maximum activity also the ground activity. The projectile, another one distance, displacement, uniform, non-uniform, maximum workforce. Your chapter number up to 7. And gravitation also. First volume, maximum will go 2 or 3 times in ground. Many activities are there in ground based, but due to lockdown and online class, we are doing separately in home. Okay, you try yourself. If you have any confusion or any doubt, inform to me. So this is the range. This is time of ascent. A to B, this is the time of descent. Overall time of flight and maximum height. That is H in this point. Capital H. Okay, it's a basic idea now. Now you know about what is height, what is range, next one time of flight, time of ascent, time of descent. Okay, now we go for the derivation part. Listen, this is the y component, x component from the origin O, initial velocity x component, it is ux for vertical component uy making angle theta. This is the direction of u, velocity, initial velocity. I will take one particular point. This is P. So in this point, y, that is the height value. This is x value. This is maximum height. So maximum height, final velocity 0. Point A. This is point B. Sorry, Q. Now we are finding the motion along a horizontal component. Again, vertical component. Next, trajectory, time of flight, maximum height. It is a complete derivation. Listen properly. If you have any doubt, before the step, you can ask. Okay. Now initial velocity for the horizontal component. Initial velocity for the horizontal. What is initial velocity horizontal? That is a u x. It is equal to u cos theta. Initial velocity for the horizontal component, ux value u cos theta. Maximum in physics, horizontal will take cos theta, vertical it will take sin theta. Okay, again acceleration. What is the acceleration horizontal component? Ax value. It is equal to 0. Before we already discussed same thing, but here angle it is there, so that cos theta. Now the position of projectile for the x-axis position. Which formula we used before? Projectile fired parallel to horizontal. Position formula. Week only we are discussing only 3 formulas. Yes, correct. Tell me why.
This is equal to 2 plus half ax t square, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Same formula we are using here. Okay. So x-axis, so that I will take x. It is equal to u x t plus half ax t square. So ux value u cos theta, ax value 0. You will get x equal to u cos theta into t. I need only value of t. So t equal to x by u cos theta. This is equation number 1. Next, finding the motion along vertical path. So compulsory in this derivation it is there, ma. 5 mark question. So vertical path, initial velocity uy, it is equal to u sin theta ay, acceleration, it is minus g. Why we are using minus g? Because it is against to gravity. U to gravity plus g, against to gravity minus g. For the position, y-axis, y equal to uy t plus half ay t square. Just apply the values. Y equal to uy value, that is a u sin theta into t minus plus into minus minus of gt square. Okay, so now I know the value of t. Apply the values. Just a minute. Just apply the values, t value. So y equal u sin theta, the value of t, that is a x by u cos theta. X by u cos theta. This is equation number 2. Minus 1 by 2 g x square divided by u square cos square theta. Okay, so now u it is cancelled. Sin by cos tan theta. Anything I want to cancel? Take it. No, that's all. So u cancel, sin theta cos theta. Sin by cos means tan theta. Y equal to x tan theta. Some students without max it is there. Sir, I will take English, physics, chemistry, computer science, biology without max. So definitely you feel some area difficult. Please inform to me. Actually, I don't know who's computer science, who is biology students. So I will take general lima. If you have any doubt, so what is that? Why you are using in this term? Any doubt it is that, please inform. Maximum in based on 10th, you know some values. Anything I want to use newly means I will tell you. The x tan theta minus g divided by 2u square cos square theta into x square. This is equation number 3. Equation number 2, it is a formula for motion along a vertical path. Equation number 3, it is the equation of trajectory. That is parabolic path. The path is the projectile path. It is a parabola. The formula is a parabola formula, so that it is a path, parabolic path. Equation number 3. A projectile fired at an angle with the horizontal moves along a parabolic path. It is one more question. So this is parabola equation. Projectile is a parabolic path. Okay. Up to that, please copy. Any doubt up to that? Listen. Projectile fired at angle with the horizontal. So very important diagram. Diagram 1.5 mark. Motion along the horizontal path. Position of second. Okay. So x-axis x equal to ut plus half at square. Just to apply the value, finding the t. Next, motion along the vertical path. Same formula. Vertical component u sin theta for acceleration minus g. Just apply the values. This is equation for motion along a vertical path. Third equation we are using for parabolic path. The path is trajectory. Completed? Will you go for
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Okay. First one, time of flight. So time of flight, capital T. Listen. Starting point O, ending point Q. This is the maximum height. In this point is A. O to A, time of ascent. A to Q, it is a time of descent. Small t and small t. Combined together, you will get capital T. For in this time of flight purpose, so what is the final velocity? Vy. The value of Vy, vertical component, final velocity. We are giving initial velocity now. So that is some value it is that. But up to in this point, the final velocity, it is equal to 0. Just to image it. Now we are discussing for the y component. Time of flight, it is the y-axis. Vy equal to 0. Same formula, 3 equation of motion formula. Vy equal to uy. This is y. Uy plus ay small t. Okay, listen. You know that uy value u sin theta, ay value minus g because it is against to gravity. Vy value it is 0. Then in this t purpose now I will discuss. Listen, everyone listen ma. T value. So t means what? Time of flight. That is a capital T. Small t means time. Time of ascent also there. Time of descent also there. This is T1, O to A, T1, A to Q, T2. So T equal to T1 plus T2. Both value also equal. Time of ascent, time of descent, both also equal. T1 equal to T2. Then you will get capital T. It is equal to 2T. Then what is a small t value? Small t equal to capital T divided by 2. Again, I will repeat ma. Capital T. It is time of flight. Small t. Time of ascent and time of descent. Time of ascent and time of descent. Both also equal. Okay, t value t by 2. Now I am applying the values. Vy formula. What is the value of Vy? This is 0 from in this equation. Uy value u sin theta, u sin theta, plus into minus, minus g, t value, capital T divided by 2. Actually, I need only the value of capital T. So capital T equal to 2u sin theta divided by g. This is equation number 4. Time of flight formula, capital T formula, 2u sin theta divided by g. Shall we go for next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one. Maximum height. So maximum height, capital H. So height also it is vertical component or horizontal component. It is belong to vertical component. Okay, y-axis. Formula y equal to uyt plus of ay t square. So what is the value? Uy value u sin theta, ay value minus g, t value small t. What is the small t formula? capital T divided by 2. This is small t formula. Because we are measuring up to in this point, maximum height, it is only O2B. Here, O2B, this is the maximum height, no? O2A, maximum height. So it will place only the time of ascent. So T equal to T by 2. Capital T, that is the time of flight. So time of flight formula 2u sin theta divided by g. So 2 cancel means you will get small t equal to u sin theta by g. Please refer the formula ma. U sin theta by g. Capital T formula 2u sin theta divided by g. Small t formula u sin theta divided by g. Now you have confusion. What is capital T? What is small t? Small t means time of ascent or time of descent. Capital T, time of flight, the overall time. Okay. Now, all the values just apply into the above equation, that y formula. In this formula. So y, it is considered to height h. Uy value u sin theta. Small t value u sin theta by g. U sin theta divided by g. So up to ut completed. Just a minute. Just a ut completed. U value u sin theta. T value u sin theta by g. The next of ay t square it is no ay value minus g, minus into plus minus minus plus into minus minus 1 by 2 gt square no g t square. So t value u sin theta divided by g square. Now u that is a u square sin theta sin theta. What is that? Sin square theta no? So h equal u that is u square sin theta sin square theta minus 1g and one more square means one more g will come no, that also cancel. U sin theta divided by g minus 1 by 2 u square sin square theta divided by g. Actually g square will come. So g square and in this g, it is cancel means you will get only g. U square sin theta divided by g minus 1 by 2 u square sin theta divided by g. Now, did you understand in this step? Any confusion? Shall we go for next? Y side. Anish, Aswath, Badri, Dhanush.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Taranish, Tarun,
Yes, sir.
Jagadeep,
Yes, sir.
Keshagiri,
Yes,
Selvamani,
sir.
Subhashri, Tina
Yes, sir.
Darshini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vishwarini, there is one more student. Akshaya. Abir Akshaya. Okay. This is only lengthy derivation, man. So next and all very simple derivation. This is only lengthy, but it is important for board exam as well as competitive exam. So only I'm taking more time to complete. Step by step, I'm going. No need to write all the areas, U value, this and all. You go for directly also. U value, A value. But anything you want to introduce new means T value. That is a U sin theta by G. Okay. See here. So this is 1 u square sin square theta by g. Common no, u square sin square theta by g. It is common. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 only. So h equal to 1 by 2 u square sin square theta divided by g. U square sin square theta divided by g. This is equation number 5. Maximum height formula. H equal to 1 by 2 u square sin square theta divided by g. So next one, horizontal range. Okay, please copy this one, ma. After I will write. Maximum height. Ma, you can zoom and see in this particular area alone. It is clear? Somewhat okay, I think so.
Sir, little bit you can zoom, sir.
Yes, ma, yes, ma. Only 50, 25 only there. 100, 50, 25. Okay. Now only one small step it is there. That is the maximum range, the horizontal range. So up to that it is completed. Please wait. The next one, horizontal range. So horizontal range, listen. It is the x component. Up to that, no, O, this is Q. this area only range R. Okay, finding the range purpose. So normal formula, that is a speed formula. It is no. So V is equal to distance divided by time. So only range means distance. Distance equal to velocity into time. So it is a vertical component or horizontal component. Horizontal range. So definitely it is a horizontal component. The value h equal to V value, that is a u cos theta, t value. So t means time of flight, no? Capital T only, capital T or small t? Up to this much, this is a small t. Again O2Q, this is small t. But O2Q, in this horizontal direction, it will take place capital T, time of flight. So horizontal range formula, initial velocity into time of flight. Initial velocity into time of flight. So just apply the value u cos theta, capital T formula, time of flight, capital T, 2u sin theta, 2u sin theta divided by g, 2u sin theta divided by g. Okay, now here on u it is in this area on u it is so that is a u square. U square equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta divided by g. Max students, tell me, ma, what is the value of 2 sin theta cos theta? It is sin 2 theta. This is rough work. 2 sin theta cos theta. It is equal to sin 2 theta. So range, that one R. Range R equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Equation number 6. That's all, ma. So in this derivation part completed. So horizontal range formula R equal to initial velocity into time of flight, u cos theta, horizontal component, u cos theta, time of flight formula 2u sin theta divided by g, u square, cos theta in theta, 2 also there, 2 sin theta cos theta, the value is sin 2 theta. It is the range formula, horizontal range, capital R equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Please take a notes. Everyone completed? Surya completed? Annie is completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Again, we'll meet next class. Take care. Enjoy the holiday.